Welcome to the channel. This is with reference to our discussion on the topic of toxic organization. This is part two of our discussion entitled as Toxic Organization, Its Impact, and a Checklist for Assessment. The discussion includes what is toxic organization, profile and characteristics of a toxic organization, impact on company performance, impact on employees, checklist to assess toxicity level, self-audit tool, how should employees respond to toxicity, and a final thought on the subject. तो आइए सबसे पहले बात करते हैं व्हाट इज ए टॉक्सिक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन क्या है टॉक्सिक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज वर्कप्लेस where negative behaviors, values, and system dominate the culture, often harming employees' well-being, morale, and performance. It is not just about a bad boss or annoying coworker, but a systematic pattern of dysfunction where toxicity becomes normalized. It often includes misaligned values. What is said is not what is done. Fear-based culture, खौफ की फिजा, and chronic disrespect or neglect of employees. Profile and characteristics of a toxic organization. Leadership. Leadership कैसी है? Dictatorial, passive aggressive, manipulative, emotionally absent, prioritize loyalty over merit. Values कैसी हैं? Lip service to integrity and innovation, but decisions are made through politics, favoritism, and fear. And what about communication? It is just top down, opaque, gossip driven, often avoiding honest conversation. Feedback is rare or weaponized. How about culture? In culture, in this culture, blame is very common. Conflict is avoided or punished, and mistakes are hidden, not learned from. People practices. Promotions go to the insiders, not performers. Overwork is glorified, burnout is ignored. Environment, us versus them mentality. Employees feels powerless, isolated, and unsafe. The warning signs are everyone is replaceable. That is how we have always done it. Don't ask questions, just do it. We work hard here, no room for complainers. And what is impact on the company performance? Regarding productivity, dips due to fear, micromanagement, and confusion and chaos. Innovation, risk taking dies. People fear being blamed for failure. There is no collaboration, siloed departments, turf wars, and information hoarding. Information hoarding is considered as a power. A Harvard Business School study found toxic workers cost companies $12,000 plus more per year than the highest performance contribute in value. And customer experience, burdened employees cannot serve customers well. Regarding reputation, employer branding weakens, talent avoids or flees. Profitability, regarding profitability, it is affected by high and hidden rising cost. Turnover increases, rework increases, and of course, there are missed opportunities. Impact on employees. Toxic environments damage people's lives, not just careers. And what about their mental health of the employees? They are affected by anxiety, depression, chronic stress, and emotional numbness. As far as physical health is concerned, they have headaches, sleep disorders, weakened immunity, and heart attacks. Career, there is no career in such organizations. Skill stagnation, loss of confidence, or risk aversion. Sense of purpose and self-worth erode. Relationship, there is a toxic spillover which affects families, friends, and community. You might notice people crying in the restrooms, long lunches that are actually escape break, Slack teams chats filled with sarcasm or silence. Or you can carry out self-audit of your organization using the rating scale of 0, that is never. If it is rated as 1, it is sometimes. If 2, it is often. So, question number 1. Factor number 1. Leadership rules by fear, not respect. So, rate your organization by 0, 1, and 2. Likewise, open disagreement is punished or ignored. Favoritism matters more than performance. Gossip spreads faster than official news. Employees are routinely burned out. Number 6. No feedback or only negative feedback is given. Number 7. Mistakes are punished, not analyzed. Number 8. HR is a compliance tool, not a people advocate. Very important. Promotions are political, not merit based. People keep plans to escape ready. So, of your so you rate all these 10 factors at a scale of from 0 to 2 and then check your final score. If you have the score of 0 to 6, it can be considered as healthy or fixable culture. If your score is 7 to 13, there is a moderate toxicity, interventions are needed. If your score is 14 to 20, the organization is highly toxic, serious risk to morale, people, and performance. How should employees respond? Diagnose, don't deny. Accept it is not just you. Toxicity often gaslights employees. into blaming themselves. Protect your mental health. Build outside of work joys, that is, hobbies, fitness, and relationships. Create mental boundaries. Their dysfunction is not my worth. Document and stay professional. Keep lists or logs of harmful incident. Avoid retaliation. Stay clear, fact-based, and stay calm. Number 4, find allies. Build a small circle of emotionally intelligent, trustworthy colleagues. Speak up. What if it is when it is safe? Use I feel, I notice, I suggest framing. Share feedback upward only if retaliation is unlikely. And sixth, build exit plan. Update your CV. Expand your external network. Learn new skills that unlock better jobs. Live with dignity. That is the final choice. You are not running away. You are not running away. You are choosing growth over decay. And finally, toxicity is a strategic problem, not just an HR issue. If left unchallenged, it poisons trust, performance, and the future. Recognizing it is the first step. Acting wisely is the next. Toxic organizations can seriously damage both human potential and business performance. Let it be clear, people don't leave companies, they leave toxic cultures. With this, we conclude our discussion on this subject. Please do drop your comments and share your experience to further improve the contents of this channel. We shall continue to discuss toxic organization in the episode number 3 very soon. Thank you and thank you very much.